Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC. We are out in Springfield, Virginia, at one of our favorite clients' house, Ira. We're back for the third job for him that we've done over the years, and we're happy to be back here again, getting a referral from a past client. Now, we did 2 walkways here at the house and some river rock that surrounds the project that we did before, and I'm going to video those, but I'm actually going to show you the old work that we did too. I think it's good to see what a few-year-old patio and driveway looks like, so you can compare what it looks like brand new to being aged a little bit. So let's go through and film this. We'll start with this walkway over here on the left. You can see there's a little bit of a hill there, so we did these small little kicker walls to hold the earth back, keep the water there out of that step. Nice little step going up, and as you see, the cicadas are coming out. We got them here all over the project. Working our way back on this walkway. All the construction that we do is on a 3 to 4 inch gravel base, 4 inches of concrete, and this is the premium 1.5 to 2 inch thick Flagstone. It's built to last a lifetime. As you see, the colors in it are absolutely gorgeous. Now pay attention to these joints. I tell everybody, my guys set these stones close, they saw cut the joints after, and you're going to have one of the most consistent and tightest joints that you'll ever see when you work with me. Not only does it look great, a lot better than those big fat 1-inch joints that you'll see, but these will actually hold up a lot longer too, give you longer longevity until you need to do some maintenance. Now here's the patio in the back. We'll touch on that here in a second, but let me walk around to the other side and I'll show you the other walkway that we're working with. Now here's the walkway from the driveway on the left side of the house leading to the rear. Again, beautiful stone, beautiful joints leading to the rear here. It opens up to this gorgeous project. Now behind the fence here, we did a nice little pad where you could put some trash cans or other storage that you may have. We did this beautiful river rock. It's a 2 to 3 inch river rock that we did the whole way around. This is a river jack. It matches the stone very well with having the grays, the blues, and some brown tones in it. You can see we circled that the whole way around the fence. Now this is what's cool. So our project stops right here that we just finished, and look at the continuation. Can you even tell a difference? And that's a few years old there. Absolutely outstanding. Now right here, you'll see that there's a joint. Now the reason why I don't come in and tiger tooth out the stones is because that joint, no matter what you do, even if we put in rebar, anything there, it's gonna crack. So I always tell my clients, let's not do mortar there. We're gonna do a self-leveling caulk, and that'll hold up a lot better over time than the mortar. Now look at this project back here. Looks like it's brand new too, doesn't it? Matches perfectly with the other work. Can't even tell that they were done at other times other than the seam. River rock carries around. Now we did not do that deck, another company did. Really beautiful job. We came in after and did the patio. We did the river rock underneath the deck. Continued it around. Patio looks gorgeous. There's a lot of drainage going on here because it's fairly flat down here with all our pitches. And then we did a little step up to there and a step up to the egress. And then again, same thing with that cold seam there that we'll put the self-leveling caulk in. Now I usually put that caulk in after about a month. Sometimes we have to come back and do an acid wash once the stone cures and some calcium and minerals come out of the stone. So I usually wait and do that self-leveling caulk till about a month after. Let's go around front and look at the driveway. So I'm not going to have him move the car, but this was the same deal. Sufficient gravel base, thick concrete, a paver with a polymeric stone, or polymeric sand, apologize. This was a project we did a few years ago, and it best matches a walkway that was actually done previously by another firm. So this walkway was not done on a concrete base, so when we did the driveway, we did pull it back up and reset it, but you can see it's already having a little bit of moss and stuff growing, where when you do the concrete base, you typically don't have that settling in that issue like you'll see. So there you go. We've been back for 3 projects here at this house: driveway, patio, and now the walkways in the river rock. So I hope you like what you see. I hope it gives you some confidence knowing that this customer hired us multiple times to come back, that we do really good work and we're fun to work with. We've had a good time out here working with Ira, and unfortunately he's running out of work, so I don't know if I'm going to ever see him again. But we're going to maybe try to take this little guy home with us, and we can eat him tonight. These things are quite tasty. If you've never had one, I suggest you cook some up. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.